Hi there, fellow car enthusiasts. Ready to dive into the world of rugged power and off-road dominance? Let's talk about the 2025 Ford Ranger Raptor, a pickup truck that has earned its stripes in the world of heavy-duty off-roading. The Ranger Raptor's journey began as a niche product aimed at thrill-seekers who demanded more from their trucks. Today, it's a legend, known for its unmatched capability and aggressive design. This beast is powered by a high-output twin-turbo V6 engine, delivering jaw-dropping torque that makes conquering any terrain a breeze. Inside, you'll find a cabin that's all about comfort and control. From ergonomic seating to advanced tech like a massive touchscreen with full smartphone integration, the Ranger Raptor ensures you stay connected and comfortable no matter where your adventure takes you. The exterior is where the Raptor truly shines. Its bold grille, muscular fenders, and high ground clearance make a statement on any road or off it. This truck isn't just about looks, it's about performance, with features like a reinforced chassis and Fox Racing Shox to handle the toughest terrains. Now, here's the best part. Ford is rolling out some killer deals for a limited time. So, if you're thinking about stepping up your game, now's your chance. Don't miss out on the opportunity to own this off-road legend. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more awesome content. Stay tuned for more insider scoops and unbeatable deals.